What's on, guys? It's Tito back with another video, and today I am going to be talking about Netflix. Why did Netflix drop after earning so much? Literally, look at this. As you can see, earnings dropped it by like $70. Now you're probably wondering, they had more subscribers than last time. Why did they drop? Literally, it's because it was overbought. Now, when it's overbought, that means it's way too hyped. Hype is what controls the stock market. Literally, some people do insider trading and they literally pump a stock up for their own benefit, which is technically, like messing with the market. But nobody finds out, nobody cares. So literally what happened with Netflix was an overbought scheme. So basically the thing is, people hyped it up so much that it lost its original value. What evaluation is that it's whatever analysts, everybody thinks the stock should be at. Netflix, I think it should be close to 450, 460, and it's coming back down to that range. So today Netflix is around 490 today, 493 as I'm recording this video. But last week it was literally at 560, 570. So today it's at 490. So that just tells you what overbought can really do. Once people realize a stock is actually overbought, they just get out of there because they're like, wait a second, I could just take my profits now instead of waiting for it to go up. That's usually what traps people. You get in at the peak and you think it's going to keep going up, but it just falls because you have to have a valuation for every stock. Tesla's really the only stock I can't really give a solid evaluation for, because literally it went from 400 to 1.7 and then started dropping down with it. Now it's chilling at 1.5. Nobody would have guessed Tesla's stock would have been at 1.5k. So really, overbought and oversold really controls the name of the game. If Netflix dropped down to like 300, that means it would be oversold. That means too many people said, let me take profits. Now they're like, everything in the market is an overreaction. Since every reaction in the market is an overreaction, people have been like, all right, we did a bit too much on that, we're going to start buying the stock back up. That's when an oversold stock comes back up. So when a stock is oversold, you can find that on a screener or something like FinViz. I'll leave it down below. Just search up the screener, look at oversold stocks, and literally you can make money by just buying oversold stocks, because eventually they'll come back up to regular valuation. So what happened with Netflix, it was way overbought right before earnings, and when earnings came, people were like, this is not really that good, and they started selling the stock. So that's what overbought and oversold is. If you ever hear it, that's really what it means. And literally that's what happened with Netflix, and that's why it didn't go up. I know some people lost a lot of money on Netflix because they were like, oh, Netflix better go to the moon like Tesla. But honestly, I didn't see it that way, because it was going up way too much before earnings, and I was like, it's too much hype. This is like a bubble that's about to burst. Just somebody just took a little toothpick, burst the bubble. Nothing much you can do about that. So that's a quick video on overbought and oversold explained, and that's what happened to Netflix. So if you ever see a stock like that, make sure you find the FinViz screener and see if it's overbought or oversold, so you can keep yourself from losing a lot of money. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. There'll be a lot more videos coming soon. Then I got my camera back, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace.